Hahnemann start to discuss about the miasms. Okay, when you come to 79, Hahnemann discuss about the psychotic and the syphilitic condition. Then 80, Hahnemann discuss about the psoric. 81, it is a continuation of the psoric condition. Yes, the fact that this extremely ancient infecting agent, okay, it is extremely ancient means large, okay, back infecting agent. Here also this Hahnemann mentioned the psoric condition is the agent. Okay, the ancient infecting agent has gradually passed. Okay, it is gradually passed within some hundreds of generations through many millions of human organisms. Okay, so how the SORA is transmitted? Hahnemann told the SORA is not transmitted for the one person. It is not at all attained in the height in the one day. No, it is transmitted from hundreds of generation through many millions of the human organisms. Just past, we have the psoric condition. Our father or mother are having a psoric condition. Both are having the psoric condition. Their grandfather, like that one. Just imagine, there is the what is Hahnemann mentioned, that hundreds of generations, okay, through many millions of human organisms, and has thus attained an incredible development. So by this process now, it's attained an incredible development. You already know about the incredible. It is not possible to measure. Okay, incredible development renders it in some measure conceivable how it can now display such innumerable morbid forms in the great family of mankind. It is not possible to calculate. There is no measure. Okay, because just it affects all the families. Particularly when we consider what a number of circumstances contribute to the production of these great varieties of chronic disease. Okay, certain circumstances are also there. It is also produced some great varieties of the chronic disease, within brackets the secondary symptom of SORA. So you just to know here, what is the primary symptom of the SORA means, it is a last aphorism, we just see tickling, itching, eruption is the primary symptom of SORA. Then psychosis, the fig warts is the second primary symptom of psychosis. Syphilis, Bibo or Shankar, because all the things are appears on the skin only. But here the secondary symptoms are produced. Okay, besides the indescribable diversity of man, there is more diversity, means difference are there, but how it affects, it is indescribable. It is not possible to describe. Indescribable diversity of man in respect of their congenital corporeal constitutions. Congenital means it is from birth onwards. Corporeal means health condition. Okay, it is the congenital corporeal constitutions, so that it is no wonder. Okay, so that it is no wonder if such variety of injurious agencies, that is the injurious agencies acting from within, that is inside, and from without, within and without, and sometimes continually, of such variety of organisms permeated with the psoric miasm. Okay, so here it just affect all the parts of the organism, and also permeated means it is just make enter with the psoric miasm, should produce an innumerable variety of organisms. Okay, innumerable variety of defects. Okay, so here this psoric miasm produce the innumerable, this is not possible to count, countless variety of defects, injuries, derangements and sufferings. Okay, so such there is causes derangements, sufferings, defects, injuries. How much? It is not possible to measure. So only Hahnemann mentioned that it is the innumerable. Okay, then which have hitherto been treated of in the old pathological works. But what happened in the previous condition? That definitely they thought that the disease condition is due to some other causes, so they thought and like treat, but under a number of special names, because various names they are given as disease of an independent character. They think that because Hahnemann told the psoric condition means it is only a psoric miasm which affect all the parts, but what happened in that what happened in in other conditions, that is called as other views, allopathic view, because only they have the various branches of their medicines. Okay, so one doctor for endocrinology, another doctor for osteology, another doctor for the uterus, another for gastric specialist, another person nephrite specialist, kidney specialist. So various organs, for each organ they have the specialities. Why? They thought that all the disease condition affect that particular part. They are not at all related with the one. But what homeopathy thinks? All the disease condition is only due to psoric miasm. That's all. Psora only real fundamental cause for all the disease condition. No doubt in it. So this psoric condition is only produce or affect because it is a primary symptom is there. This is skin eruption. When you not treat it properly, it affects whole parts of the organism. That is called as nothing but secondary symptoms of psora. So don't worry about the disease condition. Just take the totality and prescribe any anti-psoric treatment. Definitely the cure will take place. Okay? Clear? There is a clear-cut picture of the psoric miasm, clear-cut picture of the psychotic miasm, clear-cut picture of the syphilitic miasm. Okay? Thank you.
அகிலம் போற்றும் பாரதம் இது இணையில்லா காவியம் தர்ம அதர்ம வழியினிலே நன்மை தீமைக்கு இடையினிலே விளையும் போரின் சத்தியம் வென்றிடுமா